Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any female. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email.
Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video we're back in Southwest Florida here today, as you guys can see. And in this video I'll be reviewing and showing you guys the all new limited McLaren Speedtail. As you guys see, we got this thing behind me right now. This thing looks really nice. You know, we're matching with the McLaren. Shirt is matching the car actually. Pretty close, as you guys see. Pretty close colors, pretty cool actually here. But if you guys check out the McLaren Speedtail right here, this thing is clean. Look at this thing. Look how much detail is in that rear end. Pretty dang clean. Dual exhaust right there. Pretty clean, pretty clean. But you know, I don't like how this thing looks stock. You know, it's a clean car, but don't get me wrong, it's a clean car. But you know, I think it needs a little bit of touches. So let's do that right now. So here we go. As you guys see, this thing is clean, really clean. This thing is limited, and this thing costs $3 million. Not too expensive. It's cheaper than the Roadster, Tesla Roadster. But as you guys see, 2020 McLaren Speedtail. This is limited, as you guys can see. Here's the specs. Speed is really quick, acceleration really quick, handling is decent, and braking is pretty good. Horsepower, this thing has 1,036 horsepower, torque around 848. This thing weighs 3,100 pounds, and this thing is rear-wheel drive. It can carry up to 3 people at a time. So pretty good, pretty good. But yeah, let's actually change the time so we can see this better here. But as you guys see, here we go. So let's check out the colors. So let's see here. We have this blue. We have orange. Ooh, orange looks really nice. White. Ooh, also looks really clean. We have this grayish blackish color. Pretty nice. And we have let's change this back, and then we have black. Pretty clean. It looks pretty nice in black. I personally like it in orange. Makes this thing pop out a whole lot. Pretty nice. And then moving on to the rims here. As you guys see, we have this thing in the front right here. And if you guys want to take it off, there's actually this button right here next to factory paint. You click it, you could turn this thing into carbon fiber. Really clean. Turn this thing into carbon fiber. But you know, I don't really like that, so I personally like it off. Yep, I like it off. And this thing is a bit high for my preference, but yeah, I like it on race suspension. Lowers this thing a whole lot. This thing looks a whole lot better. But here are the stock rims on this thing. Moving on to super and stuff. This thing looks pretty decent with stance, I think. Yeah, look at that. Pretty clean. This thing does not look bad with the stance rims. Not bad at all. But I personally like it on street. I like it on street. NT03RR. Ooh, there we go. That thing looks so clean. Orange on black colorway, really clean. Let's see, we got the headlights right here. We have the tail lights, brake lights along with the tail lights. We have blinkers. Oh my gosh, those blinkers are really nice. The front here, we have the blinkers, hazards and stuff. This thing does not have any side mirrors. Makes this thing look pretty clean. And as you guys see, pretty nice car, really clean car. I like it looking like this with it lowered with the orange color and with these street rims here. Really clean, really clean. Alright, anyways, let's take this thing onto the road. This thing could actually drift, if you guys didn't know, and it drifts pretty dang well, I'm not gonna lie. This thing is pretty good at drifting, pretty good. So based off the Discord, if you guys were wondering, based off the Southwest Florida Discord, if any of you guys were wondering when the Speedtail will go off sale, since it is a limited vehicle. This thing will be going off sale on Monday. So whatever you guys do, get this thing before Monday if you guys want it. It will be going off sale on Monday. So yeah, that's what I know. It's going off sale on Monday. So get this thing while you can. As you guys see, this thing looks really clean, really clean. Really like how this thing looks here. Really clean car. And this thing is actually pretty dang quick too, I'm not gonna lie. Honestly, I think this may be my new favorite car in the game. This thing just looks so futuristic. Such a nice car. Love how this thing looks. Honestly, this is gonna have to be my favorite car in Southwest Florida, man. Honestly is. But anyways, let's actually test out the top speed of this thing, how this thing performs here. So let's back this thing up. Let's turn that traction control off here. Here we go. And let's launch this thing. So let's have a countdown. 3, 2, 1, go. So this thing does not launch bad. This thing does not launch bad at all. As you guys see, we're already up to 170 miles per hour. And now we are reaching 200 already. And this thing is still, this thing is still accelerating pretty quickly, not gonna lie. Let's see here. We're at 250 already, and this thing is still not topping out. 260, and this thing is still not topping out. That's crazy. Alright, 263, 264 I saw. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. So what I saw was 264. Pretty sure that's the top speed of this thing. 264 it is. I tested this thing off camera also, and 264 was the highest I seemed to get. That was the highest I could get. If any of you guys, got a higher top speed than that, make sure to comment down below. I'll pin the comment if it's true, but comment down below if any of you guys got a higher top speed than 264 with the McLaren Speedtail here. And I just cannot get over how good this thing looks. Oh my goodness, this thing looks so clean. Especially in these rims here. This thing looks amazing. Anyways, if you guys were wondering, this thing is rear-wheel drive with tons of power. So, this thing could drift pretty easily if you guys can't already tell from the specs. But look at this thing go. Alright, I'm just kind of bad at drifting, but here we go. This thing drifts pretty decently. You could get, honestly, you could get pretty good control with this thing. This thing is not hard to drift at all, in my opinion. But yeah, this thing is just really good at drifting. Pretty good, pretty good. You could also do some 360s on in this thing pretty easily too here, if you guys can see. Oh my gosh, kind of hard to do a good 360 in this thing, but this thing spins. Yeah, pretty hard to get a good 360 out of this thing, but still a really fun car to drive. This thing is just really fun to drive. Overall, I rate this thing a 10 out of 10. Really good. This thing is limited, so get it while you can. This thing is really nice. Honestly, I love this thing. Such a clean car, such a good car. I honestly love how this thing performs, love how it looks, and honestly, I recommend you guys buy this if you guys have the money. Make sure to buy it before Monday. That's when it goes off sale. But yeah, overall, a really fast car. This thing honestly might just be the fastest car in the game. I don't know. I've been driving this thing around, and it just feels so quick. Honestly, it might be the fastest car in the game. I have to test that out soon. I'm not 100% sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to comment down some video ideas you guys want to see, and I also wanted to say thank you for 5,000 subscribers. It means a lot. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. We are on our road to 6,000 subscribers. Make sure to turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Goodbye.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's a detail. You can call me or send a text, love. Going solo, but I wish you all the best, love. Now this ain't just perfect timing, place it best, so I've been